Welcome to job posting and solutions where every role meets its perfect match.
Most trusted family brand, Zubaidas, needs sanitary maintenance specialist recruitment, urgently hiring. The legacy of care and quality, the most trusted baby store, 50 years of uh, children care, love, and quality. Brand recognized as a leading destination, premium retail. The role, Sanitary Specialist, premium location, shop number 57th floor, Addison Square Mall, Sadar Rawalpindi. Key responsibility: maintain a pleasant, safe, and welcoming environment for families, children. Your impact: 50 years of excellence in hygiene and customer care. Candidate requirement: professional experience, minimum 1 year in professional cleaning and facility maintenance, attention to detail, commitment to maintain the highest level of hygiene and cleanliness, reliability, punctual, dependable and respectable of high-end retail environment. Male candidate only. So the joint compensation, or you may say that the basic salary is 35,000. Apply now at this number. Don't call. Only send your CV at this number.